Music. CyberArk Password Manager, a robust solution for securing privileged credentials. Links in the description. CyberArk isn't just a password manager, it's a comprehensive privileged access security solution for enterprise IT. It safeguards critical assets by securing admin credentials, automating password management, and providing detailed audit trails. Automated password rotation significantly reduces vulnerabilities from leaked credentials. Coupled with session recording and monitoring, CyberArk offers unmatched visibility and control essential for regulatory compliance. Seamlessly integrating with cloud, on-premises, and hybrid environments, CyberArk supports all major platforms. Its API integration capabilities are perfect for DevOps teams securing CI/CD pipelines. The interface prioritizes functionality over aesthetics, straightforward and effective for IT professionals. Intuitive role-based access control allows fine-tuned permission management. CyberArk is built for organizations managing privileged access in complex IT infrastructures, not individual users. For IT and security professionals, it reduces risks, ensures compliance, and slashes administrative overhead. CyberArk delivers enterprise-grade password and privilege management worth the investment for the security and peace of mind it offers. Serious about cybersecurity? Check out the links below.